ISO-Chemie. Use the blue technology.
ISO-TOP Construction Sheets WF3. ISO-TOP Construction Sheets WF3 are made from Thermopore. Thermopore is a high-strength EPS-based construction material. We have been using this material for many years for in-front-of-wall installation with our ISO-TOP WINFRAMER Type 3. The ISO-TOP Construction Sheets WF3 are now available as 80 by 1.20 metre boards with thicknesses between 20 and 100 millimetres. You can make up the material yourself to create windowsill connection profiles, supporting profiles for floor-level windows and other shaped parts. Or you can send us the CAD data and we will produce it for you. Alternatively, you can use conventional tools to saw or cut the material to create the shape you want. Thermopore is extremely resistant to pressure, offers good thermal insulation and is easy to use. ISO-TOP Construction Sheets WF3.